I'm Talal Soubra, Chief Risk Officer of Ajman Bank, responsible for managing all risks the bank is exposed to. Ajman Bank risk mitigation strategy varies with different types of risks. It includes collateral, risk rating, diversification of our portfolio in terms of sectors and industries. Mitigation strategy also incorporates exposures to groups and limits for different geographies, countries, currencies, and financial institutions. Ajman Bank manages and monitors liquidity and profit rate risks by observing certain ratios and through gapping positions of its assets and liabilities. For mitigating the residual risk, we make sure that documentations and contracts are effective and enforceable. Ajman Bank purchased solutions from SunGard for credit management, credit workflow, operation risk, asset liability management, profitability, and capital management. We expect SunGard systems to help us achieve our strategy faster and more effectively through enhancements in all areas that are critical for the bank. Ajman Bank's objective is to competently manage capital allocation to different business centers and to manage the risk-return trade-off resourcefully. Capital planning is managed by internal capital adequacy assessment process, which covers allocation of capital for different types of risks with a forward-looking approach. As risk could translate into losses, we believe that SunGard systems will facilitate quantifying some of the risks, which ultimately turn into capital consumption. The asset liability management system will help in capital planning, and that is based in the projected profitability and the different maturity grids of assets and liabilities. The system provides information critical for managing day-to-day liquidity and for helping Ajman Bank determining its liquidity requirements in the near future. Risk-adjusted performance can only be observed if there is a proper allocation of capital. And the critical challenge here is quantifying risks with certain level of accuracy. Things which cannot be measured cannot be controlled. By acquiring SunGard systems, we expect to effectively administer the risk-adjusted performance. Ajman Bank has quickly been able to establish a distinctive position in the UAE Islamic banking sector by placing its primary focus on customer service. In order to achieve our promise of service excellence to our customers, Ajman Bank has acquired SunGard's credit workflow systems to facilitate the process of credit applications faster and in a higher daily volume. The system communication tool will keep Ajman Bank's customers abreast with the status of their application at different stages of the approval process through SMS. This improved productivity would naturally translate into more business opportunities and would enhance customer satisfaction. We have high expectations and we're confident that partnering with SunGard will help us achieve these goals.